Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is David Egop, and you are watching my YouTube channel, obviously. So, on today's episode, right? I don't know. I record an episode. On today's video, I don't know. I just got a little idea of designing black and white. I don't know why. I've been working with some black and white. Where is that thing? Yeah. So I design things randomly, right? And I've been working on a project like black and white. I just like the way it looks, and I was like, hmm. On that also, I'll just design my portfolio site, right? And then I'll just make it black and white. I did this black and white, black and white, black and white. Some of these things don't make it out like to the public. Like this is just I don't know how to feel about this one and all of this, and all of this, right? So and also this is where it all started from. And I was just thinking to myself, right, I should just make a black and white. Just learn how to use but design with black and white, just basic black and white. And I needed a portfolio site because I've been seeing a lot of portfolio sites. And I'm like, oh, I should have one. Probably it'd be really, really cool to own one. And that's where the idea came up. So in this video, I'm just going to be explaining it. I'm not going to be explaining. I'm just going to show you a rundown of how I design my portfolio site. And I hope I have the time, I'll be able to redesign whatever I have there on Webflow. Yeah, I just hope I have the time, right? Because there's so much to do. Yeah, so thank you. Sit back, relax, and let's start. Let's hit it off, Gary. Don't mind. Okay. So I just finished doing wireframes and setting my buttons. That is just basic black and white, and then setting my text around that. Damn, this was long. Well, so I'm about to start adding colors. Right, it's black and white, but I'm about to just start, making it organized, putting actual text, actual photos, and putting all the necessary things that I have stored in my head right now. So it's all just big. I want to add like a background, like a space kind of background. I have something like that, like created someone's patterns, and I'm just going to use that, right? And each, in addition to that, right? Yeah, that's just all. Just want to manipulate and see how all of that goes. This thing was foul.